Hello everyone and welcome to this video lesson on integration by substitution. So in this topic, we'll explore how substitution helps us simplify integrals by changing variables, allowing us to work with expressions that are much easier to integrate. The substitution method is actually the reverse process of something we already know in our differential calculus, which is the chain rule. So for the first example, we have the integral of x cubed plus x raised to 5 multiplied by the quantity of 3x squared plus 1. We will be simplifying integrals by changing variables. So therefore, we will add up, or we will use another variable to represent the other variables or the other terms that are given in the problem. No? So for example, for this problem, we will use the variable u, and we will let u be this term. Okay, this one. We have the x cubed plus x. Okay, and then let us derive, since the derivative of u, we have du, and the derivative of x cubed plus x, we have 3x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, we will assign values for dx by just dividing both sides by 3x squared plus 1, and we will get the value for dx, which is equals to du divided by 3x squared plus 1. What we will use this time is kani cu o c dx. Okay, and what we are going to do is we will substitute these values, the u and the value for dx, in our given. So, diba, we have x cubed plus x, which is equal to u. So, we will write this one as u raised to 5, diba? Okay, again, we represented x cubed plus x as u. Okay, and multiplied by the quantity of 3x squared plus 1. And next, we have dx. Again, if you remember, na atay value sa dx, which is du over 3x squared plus 1. Ato na siya substitute diha. So, we have du divided by 3x squared plus 1. Okay? So, as you can see, ang nahitabo is pariha sila ang value ni 3x squared plus 1. Therefore, since same sila ang value, pwede nimo sila ma-cancel. What remains would be the u raised to 5 du. Diba? So, from a very complex given, nga lisod siya i-integrate. So, this time, by using substitution rule is ato ang nga simplify o maayo ang ato ang given, from a complex one to a very simple one. So, we only have u raised to 5 now, du. Therefore, if we will integrate this one, we will be using the power rule of integration. So, we have, this would become u 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. Or that is equals to u raised to 6 over 6 plus c. Right? And, of course, after na to nag-integrate, so we will return the original value for u, which is this one, x cubed plus x. So therefore, our final answer will be x cubed plus x raised to 6 over 6 plus c. That will be our final answer. Okay? So again, the purpose of the substitution rule is just to simplify the more complex nga given into a much easier and much simple given nga mas dali siya i-integrate. Okay? Now let's proceed to the second example. We have the integral, or find the integral of x multiplied by the square root of 2x plus 1. Again, sa substitution rule, let us use another variable, say, we'll use u. And we will represent the for me we will represent the much complex term, no, out of the two terms nga x and 2x plus 1. So we will assign 2x plus 1, or we will assign u as the 2x plus 1. And the derivative, we have 2 dx. By the way, this is dx, no? Naana siya dx there. Okay, so that our dx, no, if we are going to find a value for dx, our dx there is equals to du over 2. Okay, so we will use this one and this one. We will substitute that in our given. Okay, so we have the integral of x multiplied by the square root of 2x plus 1, which is now i-assign na itong value is u, and then we have dx, we have a value for dx which is du over 2. Okay, and then since 2 is a constant, no, that is du over 2, meaning dili siya whole number but that is a fraction, that is 1/2, we can transfer the over 2 sa gawas, so that would become 1/2 multiplied by x square root of u du. Okay, now the problem here is that nata x, and as you can see nata x, and then ang ato ang variable that should be integrated is in terms of u, di ba? Kay that is du, no? So we still have a problem, no, meaning dili pa jud ka integrate na kay na pa man tay x. But if we go back here sa ato ang u is equals to 2x plus 1, we can find a value for x such that, no, si x mawala siya and ang value nga mapuli niya is, or ang variable nga mapuli niya is u, diba? Kay if you have, since you have u is equals to 2x plus 1, if mangita tayo value sa x, diba, that will become u minus 1 is equals to 2x, right? Divided na nimo by 2 and divide na nimo by 2. Okay, so therefore you have an x which is equals to 1/2 times u minus 1, right? Sa ato pa, if ato na siya i-substitute diha, okay, that would become 1/2 multiplied by x which is equals to 1/2 times u minus 1 square root of u du. Okay, and since 1/2 is a constant, so ato pagawa si 1/2, but since na may 1/2 daan, so you just have to multiply that one, 1/2 times 1/2. Then ang mabilin sa sulod, we have u minus 1 square root of u du. Okay, therefore that will become 1/4 multiplied by u minus 1 from the square root of u du. Okay, now another problem is hindi ka punta maka-integrate ni Aulhaus, no? So atong buhaton is we will simplify this one, no? I-distribute na nato diha. Now the problem is how will we distribute that one? Okay, so no, we know that u raised square root of u, that is equivalent to u raised to 1/2, di ba? So ato na siya i-distribute diha sa ilahang duha. So you will get u raised to 1, no, di ba, naan siya imaginary 1 multiplied by 1/2, so 1 plus 1/2, diba? That would be u raised to 3/2, no, minus u raised to 1/2 times negative 1, that is u raised to 1/2. Okay, okay, now this time pwede na ka mag-integrate because we can now apply the power rule, like u raised to 3/2 plus 1 divided by 3/2 plus 1 minus u raised to 1/2 plus 1 divided by 1/2 plus 1 plus c, and that would, and u raised 3 halves plus 1, that would be 5 halves divided by 5 halves minus u raised to 1 half plus 1, that is 3 halves over 3 halves plus c. Okay, and then simplify na to, that would become kanang si 5 halves nga naman siya sa ubos, that would become 2 u raised to 5 halves divided by 5, right? And same with this one, we have 2 u raised to 3 halves divided by 3 plus c. Okay, then going back, no, ang value sa tong u is 2x plus 1. So since man naman tag-integrate, we are going to substitute this back ang value sa u, no? So you have 1/4 is equals to, or you can rewrite that one as 2/5 raised to 2x plus 1 raised to 5 halves minus 2/3 raised to 2x plus 1 3 halves plus c. And then distribute na nimo si 1/4 sa sulod, so you have 2/20, or that is 1/10, 2x plus 1 raised to 5 halves minus 2/12, or that is 1/6, 2x plus 1 raised to 3 halves plus c. And that will be now your answer. Okay, or pwede po na nimo i-express in terms of radical, no? So you have square root of 2x plus 1 raised to 5 over 10 minus square root of 2x plus 1 cube over 6 plus c. Pwede sa siya inana. Okay, and that is the substitution or the integration by substitution.